Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something special for all you GoPro enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the GoPro Shorty Mini Extension Pole Tripod, and let me tell you, it's the best GoPro tripod you can get your hands on. Stick around to find out why. The GoPro Shorty is a pocket-sized powerhouse, measuring just 4.6 inches when compacted and 1.7 centimeters in full extension. It's designed for those on-the-go adventures, whether you're traveling the world or capturing memorable moments closer to home. Let's dive into what makes the GoPro Shorty Mini Extension Pole Tripod a must-have accessory for GoPro owners. This handy tool can be used as both an extension pole and a tripod. Need a quick selfie or a group shot? Extend the Shorty up to 8.9 inches for those perfect angles. With its built-in tripod functionality, you can prop the Shorty on any level surface, ensuring your GoPro stays steady even in challenging shooting conditions. The compact size of the Shorty makes it incredibly portable. It's small enough to slip into your pocket or bag, so you can take it anywhere your adventures lead. Now, one thing to note is that the GoPro Shorty is an official GoPro mount, which means you're getting the quality and durability you'd expect from GoPro. But remember, quality comes at a price, and that's reflected in the $31.98 price tag. However, the performance you get in return is well worth it. Let's talk compatibility. The GoPro Shorty Mini Extension Pole Tripod is designed for all GoPro cameras, ensuring it's a perfect fit for your gear. And if you're thinking about international travel, keep in mind that products with electrical plugs, like this one, are designed for use in the US. You might need an adapter or converter for use in other countries, so make sure to check compatibility before your trip. So, in a nutshell, the GoPro Shorty Mini Extension Pole Tripod is the best GoPro tripod you can get. It's versatile, stable, and incredibly portable. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or just love capturing everyday moments, this accessory has got you covered. That wraps up today's review of the GoPro Shorty. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy shooting!